Hello, welcome to Math 1324. This is Chapter 5, Section 3, Example 8. In this example, we have a large semi-trailer trucks cost $90,000 each. A trucking company buys such a truck and agrees to pay for it by a loan that will be amortized with 8 semi-annual payments at 6% compounded semi-annually. Complete an amortization table for the first 4 payments of the loan. Okay, now the problem with this is that they are semi-annual payments and everything's compounded semi-annually. So we can't actually use the easy calculator. It's very sad, I know. I'm not happy about it either. Anyway. So a trucking company buys a truck for that amount. Now, here's the thing. Every payment is what we need to figure out. How much do we need to pay per month? So that means I want to figure out I want to figure this out using the TVM solver. So N, I%, PV, PMT, FV, P/Y, C/Y, end. Sorry, I've got a tickle in my throat. So the total number of payments, now compounded semi-annually means that we are making 2 payments a year. And they want to do this for, there's only 8 semi-annual payments. Okay, so capital N is simply 8. It's not 8 years, it's just 8 semi-annual payments. In other words, it's 4 years. I% is the percent that you see in the question. That would be 6%. PV is the present value. Excuse me. The present value is the amount of the loan, and that was $90,000. PMT is what we need to figure out right now. We need to figure out how much do you pay for this vehicle for every semi-annual payment. And remember, there's only 8 payments. And that means that every payment will be at least $10,000. Actually, over like $12,000, probably. FV, the future value, we want it to be 0. We want it to be 0 because we want to pay it off. There are 2 payments a year, and it's compounded semi-annually as well. And so let's just type this in. And you're not going to see me type this in. N is 8, I% is 6, PV is 90,000. And then 2 times a year for each of those. And for the payment, do alpha enter. Which gives me negative $12,821, and to the nearest penny is 7 cents. Good deal. And so that means that for the amount of each payment will be $12,821.07. That will be the same for every single payment. Okay, good. Now that we've figured that out, we actually have to figure out the interest payments, the amount applied to the principal, and the balance that's left over. Okay, and this is important. The interest payments are going to effectively be simple interest payments. That's really what's happening. In each period, everything is treated as simple interest. Okay, so in this first payment, we want to figure out how much interest was earned using simple interest on the balance from the previous balance. Okay, so we're starting out with 90,000, and so I'm going to call this row A. So for row A, the interest that was earned was 90,000 times the interest rate as a decimal times the amount of time in years. Now, semi-annual payments means that every payment is a half a year. And so we're going to want to do 90,000 times 0.06 times a half. And that'll give you 2,700. Good deal. So that's how much should be going towards the interest that was earned out of this payment. Okay, so that's important to understand. It's just from this payment that this is going to be taken out of. And so the amount towards the principal is going to be the amount of the payment and then subtracting off that $2,700. $12,821.07. Okay, and so that leaves me with $10,121.07. And that's what's going to be applied to the principal here. And so the new ending balance is going to be the difference between the previous balance and the amount that was applied towards the principal, and that's going to be what's in this right here. So for the balance, that'd be the previous balance of $90,000 minus the $10,121.07. And in this case, that will give us $79,878.93. Good deal. And that's the first row. For the second row, you do the same thing. For this one, this times your interest rate. So for letter B, the interest is the principal that was left, which was $79,878.93. Then times your interest rate of 0.06 times a half a year still. So take that and multiply by that. So I'm going to wind up with 2396.37. The amount applied towards the principal is the difference between that and the new interest. So the principal will be that $12,821.07 minus the interest payment, $2396.37. And that gives me $10,424.70. Notice that the amount applied towards the principal has now increased. That's important to remember. That should always be increasing. Because now I can take this amount, subtract off this amount, and that'll give us a new balance. So the balance is just going to be the previous principal, which was $79,878.93, minus that $10,424.70. Which gives us $69,454.23. Good deal. That is letter B. Let's go on to letter C. So for C, the interest is the previous the previous balance, which was $69,454.23 times the interest rate times the half a year, and then just type that in, and that'll give you $2,000 $83.63. Good. The amount applied towards the principal is the difference between this and this. And then just type it in. Which gives me $10,737.44. Yes. Let me type that in again. 12,821.07 minus 2083.63. So 10,737.44. Yeah, okay, good deal. Sorry, I just had to check and make sure. My face cam's going to go off, so don't worry about that. So up here, $10,737.44. Awesome. So the balance here is just the difference between here and here. So, sorry, my apologies. The balance is the difference between here and here. There we go. So the balance is $69,454.23 minus the $10,737.44. Top it in, top, toppity top, which leaves us with not that number. Helps if you top it in correctly. There we go. $58,716.79. So $58,716.79. Awesome. Now you start seeing how this is really repetitive and frankly annoying to type in and all that good type of stuff. It's the reason the easy calculator is nice, especially if it's, monthly payments. But unfortunately this isn't, so we have to do this. Alrighty, letter D. Again, simple interest is just this times the interest amount. So for letter D, the interest was the previous balance times the interest times the half amount. So multiply that out, which gives us $1,761.50. Good. Notice that every single time the amount that's being applied towards the interest has decreased. That's exactly what we need, because we want the amount applied towards the principal to increase every time. Now, the next one is just the difference between the amount of the payment minus the simple interest, and then when we're done with that, balance minus the principal payment. So for this principal, it will be $12,821.07 minus the $1761.50. So 12,821.07 minus the 1761 0.50, which is $11,059.57. Good deal. As for the new ending balance, that'd be the previous principal minus the new amount being applied to the principal. So gives us $47,657.22. Awesome. Well, we are now done. It only wanted 4 payments. It didn't want all 8, thank goodness. I don't think I can fit all that. Nope. Sorry. Anyway, there you go. Here is the entire question. And I will see you in the next video. Have fun.